This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing tools and a clean workspace so nothing slows you down. Power off the DS, remove the battery and game card, and ground yourself on an anti-static mat. Next, use the tri-wing to remove exterior screws, keep screws labeled in a container, and photograph the shell and board orientation. Once the backplate is free, gently pry connectors with a spudger. This initial access lets you identify the faulty module and prevents damage during deeper work. You now diagnose by scanning connectors and the board under light. Look for cracked solder, lifted traces, or torn ribbon cables. If a ribbon is misaligned, gently lift the latch, reseat the cable, and lock it back. If torn, replace the assembly. Clean corrosion with 90% isopropyl and a soft brush, then dry. For broken hinges or buttons, swap the plastic parts and inspect traces for continuity. Once reassembled temporarily, power the unit to confirm the repair progress. You finish by reconnecting the battery only after all connectors and ribbons sit correctly, then align the shell and insert screws evenly to prevent stress. Power on and run a complete test. Both screens, touch responsiveness, speakers, Wi-Fi, game slot, and charging behavior. If everything works, reassemble fully and confirm long-run stability. If it fails to power, check the battery connector pins and measure voltage at the battery. Make sure the charge circuit and fuses are intact before replacing major components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.